It's really engaging, fun to watch, fun to participate in. It's really good. I believe other organisations will really benefit from having this.
The one thing that I enjoyed from today's session was you can't control what is thrown at you, but you can control how you react to it. Really enjoyed it. The speaker, Daniel Merza, did an awesome job. He was very interactive with the people, and I would highly recommend this to other organizations. It would really benefit the people and everyone who works there.
It was really good. I never thought of my challenges as monkeys, and I think Daniel did a great job in trying to get us to identify and give strategies to, cope with them. Very interactive, and I definitely recommend.
I able to figure it out, 2 monkeys, that I'm going to work it out.
My biggest takeaway from this presentation is the appreciation. It's so important to be grateful for the things that you have and the things that you have done, and as well for the people around you, because positivity is so important. It shifts your view, it shifts your lens, and it can also shift the energy and the room around you. It was really engaging, fun to watch, fun to participate in, and fun to be here. It was really good. I believe other organisations will really benefit from having this.